Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore the latest cupboard laminate design trends for stylish interiors. In this video, we will dive into the world of interior designs. In this video, we are excited to showcase the hottest trends in cupboard laminate designs of 2023. Whether you are a homemaker looking to revamp your kitchen or a designer seeking inspiration, you won't want to miss this. So, discover the world of possibilities as we explore the latest colors, textures, and patterns that are making waves in cupboard laminate designs. So, friends, learn about the durability of these materials. These materials are in low maintenance, cost efficient, and these cutting edge laminate materials ensure that you make the best choice of your space. So stay ahead of the design curve and make your interior stand out with these innovative cupboard laminate ideas. If you are passionate about interior designs and want to stay updated with the latest trends, hit the subscribe button and join our community of design enthusiasts. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking to elevate their home interiors. Let's make your living space truly remarkable with these incredible covered laminate designs. I hope you like this collection. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.